Hey guys, it's the Good Vibes Gemini here with a how-to video. Welcome to my channel. This will be one of many kinds of videos on this channel. And those of you who need this tutorial, I hope that you get what you need from it because it's very easy and very simple. As you can see, my hair is pretty long. This is my hair. This is my natural hair. And I live in a part of the country where it is pretty damn hot already. And it's not even quite summer yet. So I have to have ways to put my hair up and keep myself cool. Went to the hair store a few years ago and found these, Head wraps are traditionally done with about like 4 yards of fabric, and they can get really detailed, and there's so many beautiful styles out there. I've seen them, I've tried them, I've worn them. I've worn head wraps up to here before, and it was beautiful, but it was very heavy as well, and it was uncomfortable after a while. And at this point in my life, I just want to kind of keep it simple, but at the same time still be cutesy if I want to be. So these, go to your hair store, or if you got sewing skills, sew you some of these little ones together. Okay, you want to get that in hand. And before I say this, before I do this, let me say this. Yes, my hair is this length. You don't have to have long hair to do the style with the material though, okay? You can do this if you want with whatever you have on your head, all right? As long as it's not too voluminous. If it's too voluminous, it might just make it bigger, wider on your head, and if that's your thing, go for it, okay? So, you're gonna take your hair. If your hair is this length, you're just gonna take your hair, you're gonna flip it over. That's called finger combing, for those of you who don't know what that is. What I just did, that's called finger combing. Anyway, get your hair all to the front, okay? And you're gonna just twist till a bun is formed. Twist. It's okay if one of these little guys fall down. It's okay. It's no biggie. Actually, it's kind of cute. It makes it a little sexier. Makes the style a little sexier. But anyway, so you're gonna hold your hair in place right there with one hand. Get your quick head wrap in your other hand. And then you're gonna grab your bun, and you're just gonna pull down, okay? All the way around, you're just gonna pull down. Not over your face, just about halfway. And then, depending on how you want to look that day, you can cover your ears like so, or you can expose them. I do it either way. Depends on how I feel. Okay, so those of you out there who like the covered bun look, then you could just, put it back, put a little rubber band on it if you want to. Me, I really try to stay away from rubber bands and stuff like that, even in small ways. Binding bothers me. Well, small bindings and stuff. But anyway, so then you want to, if you want, you can leave your bun exposed. I like to leave mine exposed a little bit because it reminds me of plants. Plants stick up out of pots. So there you go. Get that look. You can pull this back. I like to pull it back only because I'll get hot and start sweating, and the dye from the head wrap will cause me to have a breakout. More info on that will be in another video. How to take good care of your skin. But anyway, so there. Bun achieved. No extra ponytail holders needed. No rubber bands. No bobby pins. That's too much. Too much. It's just best in life sometimes to keep things simple. Now, say I'm rocking this. I've been out all day, been rocking it since the morning, but now I'm kind of feeling like I want to let my hair down. Good thing about these little deals is that all you gotta do, if you want to switch it up and still wear it, is just let your hair fall. Let your hair fall. Bam. That's one style. If that's not cute enough for you, and you want to take it down a notch, get a little bit more conservative with it, then there you go. There's your conservative look. If you want to rock like a kind of sort of ponytail, but not really binding with a tiny ponytail holder, then use this sucker. Bam. Ponytail achieved. So it's just that simple. It's not hard. This little bitty piece of material, like they have on the little pictures, y'all know I'm not lying. They show you on the little pictures how many ways you can wear it. Some people wear it as a scarf and all this kind of stuff, but do you, whatever works for you. This video was strictly about the tutorial on how to achieve a quick head wrap look instead of a detailed one, which I love the detailed ones, but oh Lord, honey, that stuff just too heavy on my head and I get hot too quick. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope it's useful. If it was, please share it, like it, and be safe in this life. I send love and light to all those who send it to me. I send it back to you ×3. You've been chilling with the Good Vibes Gemini. I'll